Huawei's Mate 80 series has made a strong impact in China, and sales numbers are already telling an interesting story. While many people expected the Pro models to dominate, the real surprise is the standard Huawei Mate 80. This vanilla version has now recorded the highest sales among all Mate 80 models, clearly exceeding shipment expectations. According to a reliable source, the standard Huawei Mate 80 has seen the most sales units in just the past few days. This strong demand shows that buyers are responding very positively to the phone's balance of features and price. Instead of chasing only premium extras, many consumers seem to prefer a device that offers solid performance, a clean design, and a more reasonable cost. The Huawei Mate 80 standard model focuses on simplicity. It does not try to overload users with experimental features or flashy additions. Instead, it delivers a clean and practical experience, which appears to be exactly what many buyers want right now. Combined with Huawei's brand value and strong presence in China, this approach has clearly paid off. The Mate 80 vanilla version is available in 3 storage and memory configurations, giving buyers the flexibility to choose based on their needs. The base variant comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB each, priced at 4. 6-second option offers 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage for 599 yuan. The top-end version of the standard model includes 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, priced at 499 yuan. Sales data reveals some interesting trends across these variants. The 12GB and 256GB version recorded sales that were about 1.0 times higher compared to the same configuration on the previous Mate 70 model. This already shows steady growth and continued interest in Huawei's standard flagship lineup. The 12GB and 512GB variant performed even better. Its sales reportedly increased by 2.3 times compared to the Mate 70 model with similar storage. This suggests that users are increasingly valuing larger storage, especially as apps, photos, and videos continue to take up more space. However, the real standout is the Mate 80 with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. This version is seeing the highest demand by a wide margin. Reports suggest that it is selling nearly 5 times more than other Mate smartphone configurations. This is a major jump and clearly shows a shift in consumer preference. One of the biggest reasons behind this success is the improved configuration compared to the Mate 70. The jump to 16GB of RAM gives users better multitasking, smoother performance, and more future-proofing. Even though it costs more than the lower variants, buyers seem to feel that the extra memory and storage are worth the price. What makes this even more impressive is that the standard Mate 80 still sits below the Pro and Pro Max models in terms of advanced features. It does not have all the premium hardware found in the higher-end versions. Yet, it remains more attractive to many buyers because it delivers strong performance without pushing the price too high. This trend also highlights a change in consumer behavior. More users now prefer higher memory options instead of settling for 12GB RAM or smaller storage. As smartphones are used for gaming, work, photography, and entertainment, having more RAM and storage has become a top priority. Another key factor behind the Mate 80's success is its pricing strategy. Compared to other high-end phones in the series, the standard model offers a more pocket-friendly option while still delivering a premium experience. For many buyers, this balance is more important than having every cutting-edge feature. Due to the strong demand, Huawei is now working to increase production and stock levels for the Mate 80 series. The company aims to ensure that customers can get their devices without long waiting times. However, it is still unclear how long it will take for Huawei to fully meet the current demand. In summary, the Huawei Mate 80 standard model has become the unexpected star of the series. Its strong sales performance proves that users value practical features, high memory options, and fair pricing. As Huawei ramps up production, the Mate 80's success could set a new direction for how flagship smartphones are priced and configured in the future.